Hello everybody, Jonathan Doucette here at St.Albert Dodge. Appreciate you watching the walk around video on this 2022 Ram 1500. This is a Laramie Longhorn edition. We'll talk about the interior when we get inside, but as you can see, it's quite a striking truck. It's called Ivory Tri-Coat. It's a pearl paint. It's maybe a little hard to pick up on the video, and especially inside with the fluorescent lights, but pearl paint looks really great in the sun. This particular Longhorn, they come standard with chrome bumpers. This one's got the body color bumper group. So the front and rear bumper and the door handles are painted to match the rest of the truck. So that's kind of a neat little upgrade. The LED headlights up here in the new Rams is like nothing else. They illuminate wide, clear, bright light. I don't know what you drive now, but probably going to be a million times night and day different than what you're driving now. Of course, get the 5.7 liter Hemi up front. Blind spot, parking sensors, recovery hook, and then you have your 22-inch rims here as well. Look very, very cool. Kind of get the two-tone paint, and then you have Pirelli Scorpion tires on there. Very high quality tire. Yeah, super, super awesome. Coming back here, you see the Longhorn badging on the side. There's a few spots on the inside as well that is stamped and has the badging inside as well too, but it's a very, very neat truck. You get wheel-to-wheel running boards. So if you need to get access to your box, get the grip back here, just jump right in or jump up and in up here. Very handy. And then being the premium line truck, the Laramie Longhorn, you have the soft open tailgate from your key fob above your mirror, and then of course on the handle of the tailgate itself. And it's very light. There's a spring system in here, 2 fingers, easy to put up, dual exhaust, 7-way 4A plug-in down here, 2-inch receiver, and then your backup camera. What makes the Longhorn kind of special is like this is a limited beside us here. It's an all black interior. Nice, beautiful interior, but the Longhorn has something, just a little bit of class. It's called Cattle Tan and Brown interior. Nature Plus leather, so the highest grade leather you can find on the Ram line, period. Just in that very durable, very well, easy to take care of. I'll show you quickly the flip-up seats back here. Flat floor all the way across. They've made the cab a little bit bigger, a little wider, the whole truck actually, and then from the previous generation, and then raised it up, and the transmission hump, which used to be right in the middle here, is now, the tunnel if you will, is now integrated in the center console. So look at that giant storage there. You do have Ram bins on both sides, so underneath the rug, or mat, sorry, not rug, you have a removable bin and some storage trays or storage in there. Great place for gloves, bungee straps, that kind of a thing. Keep them out of the way. Rear seats are heated, and they recline as well. So there's a lever right here, so the person sitting here would pull the lever and then kind of slide their bum forward, and then recline the rear seats. It can kind of give a contrast shot. So long road trips, it really makes traveling a lot easier. And then you don't have to flip it back up. Slide it back up in order to flip up the seat. So it's right there, really handy. Cup holders everywhere. Cup holders in each door. Up front here in the center console for the passengers. And this neat little console that flips down in the middle. And then you have a little bit of storage in there too. So if you got people traveling on a regular basis, they can keep little odds and ends in there, kids in the back kind of a thing, or you don't want to carry your wallet in your pocket, throw it in there while you're traveling if you're sitting in the back. And then heat vents back here too, heat and cooling through the rear. A lot of manufacturers up until recently never had heating vents back there. Up front, there's a ton of real wood accents. So on the center console, the covers over the cup holder and the change tray. Up on the dash, on the door, those are actual real wood, not just a plastic veneer with to make it look like it. Great accents all the way around. They really do a good balance of the color. You got the gold around the vents, and here the I can't even remember what that's called, but the barbed wire type of the burls on the accents, very nice too. 12-inch screen, Uconnect. 2022's got the new Uconnect 5, so you're gonna have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Before, like my truck in 2020, I got to plug in, get my apps on my phone projected on the screen. This one, just keep your phone in your pocket and it'll project automatically. Tons of little storage compartments. You know, I can make a 35-minute video just about the interior of this truck. I don't want to do that to you. If you'd want to watch it, I'd make it for you. But compartments everywhere. Neat little foam inserts here for your cup holders. Just tons of usability. Ram really went to town, made this a functional truck. That's why it was Truck of the Year 3 years in a row, 19, 20, and 21. Might even win 22, I don't know. I don't think it's been announced yet. But yeah, the #1 luxury vehicle in 2019 as well too of cars.com. And you see it, like this is the standard in my opinion of vehicles. The soft touch everywhere, leather everywhere. Tons of stuff I missed. Sirius XM Guardian. I won't even go into it all. Give me a shout out myself, 780-952-3018. Stop into the showroom, take a look at it. We have some outside for test drive as well too. We'll talk to you soon.